Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making easy summer orange pineapple cake. This is my grandma Linda, and I love her cooking and her baking. My grandma Linda calls this cake pea picking cake, but I call it summer orange pineapple cake. For this recipe, we need Cool Whip, 1 pack of vanilla instant pudding, 2 15-ounce cans of mandarin oranges, a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapples, 3 eggs, vegetable oil or grapeseed oil, and vanilla or yellow cake mix. I'm using vanilla. To make the cake, we need a big bowl, a mixer or whisk, a medium-sized bowl, and a spatula, 2 small cake pans or 1 big cake pan, and 1 cup and half a cup. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Drain your mandarin oranges for the cake mix. Follow the instructions on the cake mix. Pour your cake mix in the bowl. Pour 1 cup of water in the bowl. Pour half a cup of oil in the bowl. I'm substituting grapeseed oil for vegetable oil because it's better for you. I also like using olive oil. Crack 3 eggs in the bowl. The reason why I call this cake Easy Summer Orange Pineapple Cake is because it's summertime and pineapples are a good snack for summer. If you chill this cake in the fridge, it'll be nice and refreshing. Mix the box ingredients with the eggs, oil, and water until smooth. Then add the mandarin oranges in and gently mix into the cake batter. Butter your pan so the cake won't stick. Stir the cake mixture a little bit. Pour the mixture into your pans. Bake your cakes in the oven for 29 minutes. Add your Cool Whip to the medium-sized bowl. Add your vanilla instant pudding and stir it. Drain your 20-ounce can of crushed pineapples. Add your crushed pineapples and mix it with the Cool Whip and the vanilla instant pudding. Make sure to mix it well. This is the frosting. It's time to take out the cakes. Use a toothpick to poke the middle of the cake to make sure it's baked all the way. I'm using a bamboo skewer because it's long and it's easier to not get burned. If your toothpick comes out clean, then it's ready. Cool the cakes on a baking rack for at least 2 hours. You can frost your cakes on a baking sheet or any cake platter that you like. Take out each layer of cake and frost them. I'm using 2 layers of cake, so frost them separately. Use a lot of frosting. We want the cake to be nice and frosted. This is what your 1 layer of cake should look like. I'm going to stack my other layer of cake and do the same thing. Frost the second layer of cake and don't miss any spots. This is what the whole cake should look like. I'm going to cut myself a slice. This is what the inside of the cake should look like. And here's my slice. Here we have it, easy summer orange pineapple cake. Thanks for watching and please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.